back to my channel. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a really big thrift haul. So I haven't posted on here for a while, as you may have noticed. I've had a really crazy couple of weeks, what with Rome being cancelled, going out to visit some relatives, and then my birthday and birthday celebrations, and it's also like a lot of my family and friends' birthdays at this time of year. So I have been super busy, but that did not stop me from popping into the charity shops. In fact, that's all I wanted to do on my birthday. So me and my mum popped into Jumpsuit. Now, I haven't ever done the Jumpsuit charity shops, which is crazy because they are literally like 15-20 minutes away from me. And I just didn't realise how many there was there. They were very good. I'd say they are possibly a bit more expensive, maybe more like Billericay prices. However, there was a new Havens Hospice Reloved store, which is kind of the main reason I went. If you guys have been following around here for a while, you would have known that I went to the opening of the Reloved shop in Leigh-on-Sea, which is absolutely gorgeous. If you haven't been, it feels more like a boutique, and it's just got a really nice vibe. And the one in Chelmsford is pretty much the exact same. Gorgeous, lovely reclaimed wood, features lovely displays, and everything is just really nice. I think they do kind of still get the same donations. In fact, I actually asked, and the donations they have in that store at the moment, they have kind of got some stuff from the Leigh store, so it makes sense that the stuff is kind of really nice. So I picked up some things in there. I also picked up some stuff from other charity shops, and also I've got some stuff from a really exciting project I had with Bernardo's. They actually gifted me some pieces while I was at the thing. You guys know by now that it's probably a shoot because you would have seen the photos. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely go and follow me on there because you get sneak peeks of every project I'm doing, and also then you'll be the first to know kind of when the things come out. So that sounds really secretive and elusive, but here we are. I'm going to just pick things randomly and show you. I think a couple of the stuff I might give away as gifts, but you will see that, and hopefully the person who I'm planning on gifting these to doesn't watch my videos, and I'm almost certain she doesn't. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to pick things randomly. But one of the things I got was from British Art Foundation. This was £4, and it's just this gorgeous little mini bag. I do think this is just like a Primark mini bag. I can't actually see a label. Let's see. Yeah, it's just from Primark. I just thought this is a really cute little mini bag. I'm really loving like the sage green, bright green, dark green, any green I'm loving. And I think this is really cute. You've got kind of the gold accents on there. Now, my friend Katie, if you've seen, we did a couple of videos where we digitalised our wardrobes and then kind of brought outfits for each other and things. And she said on that video, if you haven't gone to see it, go look at it, that she's got very few kind of accessories and bags. And I was saying that's kind of how I show all my personality in looks, is I'll kind of do quite a plain look and then we'll pop on like a fancy funky handbag. So I said to her for Christmas I'm gonna buy her some mini bags. So I do feel like this one and the other one I got I probably will give to Katie. In fact, I'm gonna text her and tell her not to watch this video, even if she doesn't normally. But anyway, I thought this would be really cute to gift to her. And then I also got, again from British Art Foundation, and this one was £3. I do just need to stuff it. They had it stuffed in the shop and it made it look really nice. Again, I believe this is just a Primark number. I can't see a branding in it, but it's just a cute little mini bag. Again, I thought this would be perfect because you could kind of pair this with any outfit. And I feel like a white bag is such a staple. And in fact, I use my white mini bags all of the time. So I think they are so great to kind of pair with any outfit. And for £3, I feel like this is a really good find. So the next two pieces are from the Bernardo's project. So the first thing is this gorgeous purple dress. Now I must admit this had to squeeze in my tote bag on the way home from London, so it is a very crinkled, so I'd have to give this a really good iron before I wear it. But it's just this gorgeous kind of button up dress. It's in this gorgeous kind of purple satin fabric, which as you can see does not travel well. It's got this kind of gorgeous kind of paneling here, so it really cinches you in at the waist, but it drapes kind of over the boobs and drapes over the stomach, which is lovely. It's so flattering. I feel like this is a dress that my mum will steal, definitely. Now, I have no idea on size or brand of this because the tag has been cut out, and I'm also not sure how much this was from, but I do know that this stuff that they got for the project was mainly from their Brixton store, so if you're looking for cool kind of pieces, definitely check out the Bernardo's in Brixton. But this dress is just so flattering. In fact, I'm going to wear this for kind of my belated birthday celebration, which is kind of a celebration for all of our family members who've had birthdays recently. I think I'm going to wear that to this this to that because I think that'll look really cute. This is like the perfect family occasion dress because it's like kind of a full enough coverage that I don't feel like uncomfortable wearing this around grandparents and things, but it's actually so, so pretty. So I'm really, really excited to wear this. Okay, so here is the purple dress. Again, I'm going to pan you down so you can kind of see this in more detail. And obviously, yes, it does need an iron because it is very crinkled for being in a tote bag, but we're sustainable over here. Everything goes in a tote bag and it may get smushed in the tote bag because we fill the tote bag too much. But isn't this just so pretty? I do feel a bit old school in this. It's giving like old school retro vibes. I don't know, I just think it's really pretty. The shape is really, really flattering. It's really kind of loose over my stomach, which is the dream because I'm going to be eating a lot at this party. So I just think it's just so pretty. My sister is also wearing a really cute dress that actually she'd rented for an event and then absolutely fell in love with it. Obviously I had to give it back because it was just rented, and then her boyfriend actually found it and brought it for her, and it was just a gorgeous designer dress. Anyway, she's gonna wear that, I'm gonna wear this. We're gonna feel like $1 million. We also need to let my other sister know that we're dressing up to the nines because she needs to know that too, so we can get in on the pics. But oh my gosh, so pretty, absolutely love this. The colour of this is screaming Cadbury's purple. In fact, I need to eat a bar of Cadbury's I think while I'm in this because it is definitely Cadbury's purple, but I feel like this colour is one of my colours I really think suits my hair, my skin tone, just everything. But yes, absolutely love this. And the next thing I got from them is not really for a family occasion because it is quite booby, but this is something I don't know if I ever would have picked up because I just think it looks so impractical to get into, and it is. It's the sort of thing you need a friend to come in with you. And let's see, they had a price on this as £15. So yeah, but I got this, said they gifted this to me from the project. So it's really, really hard to show kind of on here, but it's got a kind of crossover front, so you get a little bit of like middle boob, what do you call that, like the center of your boobs in the outfit. And it's just gorgeous jumpsuit. It's got these big pockets, you've got a tie it round waist, and this is just so fun and funky. It is quite long, so I would have to wear heels with this, but I am debating on taking this to my tailors just to get it kind of hemmed up a little bit, just so I don't have to wear super high heels because, as you guys know, that is not my vibe. But for the project I did wear heels and it looked gorgeous. But yes, definitely will need this either taken up or would have to wear high heels with this, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. The fabric is like a super thick fabric. I have absolutely no idea how I would describe it. It's really, really thick, really like heavy and good quality, and I'm really excited to have this piece in my collection because I feel like this is such a funky piece, great for a party or kind of going out. I think that's so cute. Okay, so I've panned you down so you can see this, but I think this is so cute. So I am thinking, one, it's too long. This is gonna have to get taken up because I would have to wear extremely high heels for this to not drag on the floor, and I just don't wear that. I'm also thinking that although I love a bit of middle boob showing, I think if this was just a little bit tighter around my neck, I would just have less boob hanging out and would just feel a bit more secure if I was going out for dinner in this. But in saying that, I think this is so cute and just fun and just a bit different. I was saying actually when I wore this on the project that I can't remember the last time I wore a jumpsuit, apart from the ones I wear for work. I just don't really wear jumpsuits out. Now, the only downside to this outfit, and there is only one, is that this needs 2 people to get you in it, and then inevitably would need 2 people to get you out of it, which means anytime I need a wee, I'd have to have a friend, which is fine. I can always call my friends into coming to the toilets with me, but it is just something to bear in mind. And in fact, I have another jumpsuit that's more like an everyday jumpsuit that I literally never wear. I need to actually put on Depop because you need someone to help you into it, and I can't do that on the day. I feel like in an evening, it's fine, you can always find someone to come to the toilet with you, but in the day, obviously a bit harder. So yeah, I think this is so cute. Also, this is the back, in case you were wondering. But yeah, I think this is really cute. As it is too long, gotta take it to the tailors to get taken up a little bit, and I might ask her about what we could do about this. But equally, I might just, I think it's buttons at the top, so I could just also sew in some different buttons that are just a bit further along, just so I can tighten it, but then also have the option to have it a bit looser, because I do kind of like the middle boob, and I feel like I'm doing my rep for the saggy boobs society, so love it. So the next things are things I picked up on my birthday, and actually when I went into the Havens store, one of the staff members kind of recognised me from all the events and all the stuff I do on socials to them, and they were giving off 20% to everyone who bought something, but they said it was my birthday. They gave me 20% off, which was really, really sweet. So I did pick up a couple of things. First being this gorgeous jacket. Now this was £15, and as I said, I did get 20% off of this, and it's just this Nike jacket in a size large, and it's just this gorgeous kind of a bomber jacket. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys and say I know what this sports brand is, because I don't. I have absolutely no idea what the sports team is. It says the St. Rhythm Souls. Don't know if it is a sports brand, don't know if it was made up, I don't know, but it's a really cute bomber jacket. It's a nice oversized fit. I feel like this with just some like jeans and like a plain top would look really cute. And yeah, I must admit, I'm a sucker for a jacket, and I thought it was really cute. I don't know if bomber jackets are back in, but I feel like they are slowly coming back in. May just be me. But I think this is really cute, a nice cozy jacket to chuck on. And yeah, it's like a nice satiny fabric. I like these sort of jackets. They don't feel so heavy, but they're going to be really thick. But I do think they'll be a bit better, kind of autumn winter, than just like a leather blazer. So I'm really excited to style this, and I thought this would be a bit more of a style challenge than I'm used to, because as you guys know, I normally do just chuck on a leather jacket, so it's like a little bit different to style. So here is the bomber jacket. I actually think this is so cool. Again, trying this on, I feel like I just love this even more than I did in the shop. I have just paired it with some jeans and a white top. I feel like a black top could also look cute with this, but yeah, let me show you the back. I just thought this is so fun, a little bit edgy, a little bit young. I feel a bit young and hip in this. I can't really said hip, but I feel cool in this. I like it. It's like the perfect amount of thick and thin where I don't feel like I'm overheating. But yeah, I thought this is really cute. I'm really glad I picked this up, because I must admit, I picked it up as soon as I got in there. I got drawn to it quite quickly, and then I put it back and was like, do I need another jacket? The answer is obviously no, but it was my birthday, and I feel like you need to treat yourself on your birthday, because, you know, it's your birthday. You've got to celebrate yourself and self-love and all that. I preach that, and I'm saying that and buying jackets. I think this is cute. I love it, and I'm really glad I picked it up. The next thing I picked up was from Floral Hospice, and it's just this little new baby card. This was £1. Oh, Farley Hospice. Did I say that? It's from Farley Hospice, and my neighbour is pregnant with a baby boy, so I thought I'd get her a card. As I saw it in there, I thought I need to get her a card, so I thought I'd get it while I was in there. And if you don't know, a lot of the charity shops do kind of cards, everyday cards, you know, birthdays, Christmas, whatever. They probably do it, so definitely check out your local charity shop when you're shopping for cards, because it's a good little way to add a little bit more money to charity, and get a really cute card. And normally they're like designed by really fun people, and yeah, really cute. So I picked up that one. And then again from the Havens Relove store, I got this blouse. Now I must admit, the shape of this blouse is not something I would normally go for, but the pattern on this blouse is, and to be fair, the fabric is as well. I'm not going to say linen because it's not, but it's like a really lightweight kind of boho material. This was £7, and it says it's a medium to large, but I'm not actually sure if it even had a size on it, if they just guessed that. But it's just this gorgeous kind of blouse. It has got this kind of tie at the front, which I'm not sure if I'm in love with or not. I may snip these off. I don't think I will, because I feel like I would eventually want them. But I think this will look so cute with like a light wash pair of jeans, maybe tied in the front or just tucked in. But it's just the fabric on this. Again, as you guys know, I'm obsessed with Thrifty Finny on Instagram, and her fabric, like the prints she wears, are so fun and colourful and bright and floral, and it just makes me really want to wear colourful florals. So I thought this is really sweet. The original brand is Aroma See You Again. And yeah, I just thought the pattern on this was super fun. Again, probably a little bit summery, but I will wear this. I'm that sort of person that wears summer clothes all year round. We'll just chuck a jacket on with it. But yeah, I just thought the pattern on this was really cute. This sort of thing I would wear to volunteer in, wear every day, but then also I feel like I could dress this up into the evening, which is always a nice option. But yeah, I thought this was really cute, so I picked this up. So here is the top. I actually really like this. I must admit, I kind of just threw it on over what I was wearing when I tried it on in the shop, and so I didn't really see it fully. But oh my gosh, this is actually so cute. And I'm so glad I picked this up, because I must admit the shape really threw me off this. I don't really know why, but I just really wasn't drawn to the shape of this, but the fabric just instantly won me over. Like, just look at these flowers, they're so cute. But I actually think this is really sweet, and I've actually paired it with my flared jeans I got from Cancer Research, and I actually feel like this really works, and it's kind of giving 70s vibes, which I absolutely love. So yeah, this is such a win. I think this is so cute, and I'm really glad I picked this one up. And then I think finally I got this skirt again from Farley Hospice. This was £1.50. It's in a size 16 and it's originally from Cotton Traders, which let me know where you actually buy that from, because I'm seeing that brand crop up more and more in charity shops and I haven't really heard of it before. So it's just this kind of jersey material midi dress that kind of pleats out. I love this style of skirt and I feel like it's a style that I remember in the wearing video I did with Katie, I said like, oh, I love this, and she's like, I've never seen you in that style of skirt before, because I wore my colourful one I think, or my black one, I don't know, but I absolutely love this style of skirt. I think it's really comfortable. If I'm feeling bloated and just feeling a bit uncomfortable and I want to wear something that feels like pyjamas, I always reach for these sort of skirts because the waistbands are normally stretchy, and that is kind of the only bit that's hugging to you. Also, I feel like I can just chuck this on with a vest top, a jumper, kind of a long sleeve, my long sleeve kind of tight tops, and I feel like they just always look really nice, really pretty, and they really look like you've made an effort when in reality you have done nothing. So I really, really like this. I feel like it's quite feminine and I quite like that sometimes. When I'm kind of bored of wearing my Harley Davidsons and jeans, I will chuck on one of these and feel super floaty and fun. Of course, it's like a swooshy skirt. I feel like it's fun to swoosh around and play with. So yeah, I think this is really pretty. And again, sort of thing that I would wear if I was going out for lunch with my grandparents. In fact, I actually am going out for lunch with my grandparents today and I'm wearing this gorgeous dress from Thriftify, which I'm not actually sure I've even ever shown on here. But check out my reel of what I would have worn in Rome, because this is in that and you can see it in full detail. But anyway, I think this skirt is really cute and I'm really excited to style this and add it to my collection, because I absolutely love these style skirts. And if you haven't already, definitely try out this style. I feel like it works on like every body type, and that is really good and I love that. So this is the skirt and here it is on. Okay, so I have panned you down a little bit, so hopefully you can see the skirt. This is so cute. It's definitely kind of more slimmer line than my other kind of midi skirts like this, but it's still absolutely fine. I've still got plenty of room over my hips and my bum, and yeah, this is so pretty. Again, as I said, these are just so comfy, so easy to chuck on. You can put this on with like a denim jacket over it if you wanted to kind of make it more autumn winter appropriate, but yeah, I feel like there's not too much to say about this, but it's so comfy. And for £1.50, like to look this put together and cute, I feel like that is great, especially with the hairstyle, the earrings. It's definitely giving kind of, I don't know, vintage vibes, and I really like it. But vintage vibes, like a jersey material, this is my dream because it's so comfy. Really also lightweight. So it's actually perfect. I'm saying you could dress it up for kind of autumn, but this would be perfect for spring, summer, because it's so airy that you're getting all the air in the places you want the air. Although I would obviously wear chub rob shorts with this because I can't go out without chub rob shorts, but so cute. I also really like it with this white top. I feel like it brings out the white and the flowers, and a really easy but cute look. You can accessorize the jewellery, maybe a fun bag. I don't know, this is really cute. Really glad I picked it up. And for £1.50, like, that's crazy. So that's everything I picked up from my little, quite big charity shop. I must admit there may be another charity shop haul coming up soon, and that might be the next video, because me and the Thrifty Edit, as in Amy, are going charity shopping in Essex, and it's like the first time I've shown someone around the Essex charity shops that doesn't live in Essex, and I am so excited to have a little buddy to charity shop with. It was also Amy's birthday on the same day as my birthday, which is hilarious that we have the same name and the same birthday, and we both got gifted charity shop gift cards for our birthday from like friends and family, so we can go and spend them in all of the gorgeous Haven shops that are around, and the Marie Curies, and all of the other gorgeous shops that take the charity shop gift card. But I'm going to stop rambling now, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!